5-stroke sign.
Other or elsewhere by ancient design.
First katakana no
そして縦
ninben
a person,
stands on the left,
a viper's form.
coiled on the right.
Then 横曲げ跳ねて
Slopes up, bends down, jumps in.
ready to strike.
Then tatekaite.
Vertical cuts through the center.
Viper looks up,
Last そして左に
tatemage haneru.
crosses the slope, corners and jumps.
Person and viper,
That ancient design.
respecting the other, not crossing the line. Time is the only you hear.
Tanin another person, no one we know.
Takokan another country, not our own.
Taho another direction, another way.
Tajitan another time, another day.
Cheetah self and others both held in view.
Sonota.
The rest the others.
Accepting you. Hoka is the kun you hear, though usually kana writing makes it clear.
Hoka, other, another elsewhere.
Hokani, besides, in addition.
その他に
Besides that, what's more?
他にも
Furthermore. 네, 他人の人生ってどんなんだろうってたまに思わない？
そうだな。いろんな人生があるんだろうな。他人だから想像するしかないけど、他の人じゃダメなんだ。
Hey, do you ever wonder about it? What kind of lives strangers out there are living?
Yeah. I guess everyone out there has their own story. Being strangers, you can only imagine. But it couldn't be anyone else.
Yeah. In
In a world filled with